Pastors and other religious leaders can now preach politics and political candidates from the pulpit. The IRS says it will no longer enforce the 1954 Johnson Amendment. That's the one that threatened their tax-exempt status for doing so. As KLTV7's Michael Richardson reports tonight, 2 East Texas churches were among the plaintiffs in the argument.
This change could make religious institutions major financial players in political campaigns.
The IRS has sided with Sand Springs Church in Athens, First Baptist Church Wascom, and others that churches can endorse candidates from the pulpit. It was an agreement that revolved around the Johnson Amendment. Introduced by the then Senator and future President Lyndon B. Johnson, the law threatened religious institutions with losing their nonprofit status if they communicated political beliefs.
The separation of church and state will become blurrier with this new ruling.
Attorney Randy Roberts says he expects some religious institutions to become more involved in political campaigns as a result, adding churches are not required to disclose who pays them.
Under this IRS interpretation, people can give large amounts of money to religious institutions for the purpose of contributing to a campaign. They can write it off on their taxes, and the fact that they gave the money is not disclosed.
UT Tyler's Dr. Kevin White says the filing may have a nationwide impact.
It could embolden other churches to engage in more political activity because now they know exactly what the IRS's posture is.
Some supporters have argued the Johnson Amendment violates free speech and religious liberty. Michael Richardson, KLTV7 News.
A member of First Baptist Church Wascom said they had no comment when we reached out about all of this. Sand Springs Church provided us this following statement. While court filing is encouraging, it's not final until the judge reviews the order. We aren't able to comment until the judge decides. An IRS spokesman said the court filing speaks for itself.